Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Xbox Series S or X rechargeable battery station. This one, as you can see, retails for about less than $30. It's cheaper than the play and charge kit I reviewed a few days ago, I believe, for the Xbox Series X as well as the S. It's cheaper than the Nyko power station video, and I'll talk about it in this video as well. But very plain packaging, as you can see. We're gonna get it straight into it. Right here we have a 1-year warranty as well as a 45-day return policy and a 75-day replacement, which doesn't make sense because it's technically 1-year warranty. Right here we have the charging station. So this is what it looks like. I did unbox it previously, so it already has markings. Right here is where the batteries go, and then right here you have a USB little charging option you can put on the back of your Xbox or on the side of it or whatever you want. And then you can also use two other charging methods. You can use Type-C for stable and fast charging, or you can use micro USB, which I don't recommend, but it is good to have there. And then right here we have 3 batteries, as you can see. Let's get each of them out. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Each one of these are 2,550 milliamps, which is really good, honestly. And obviously you can charge 2 at a time simultaneously. On the back of the charger, it says an input of DC 5 volt 2 amps and an output of DC 3 volts at 500 milliamps per charge. So it's about 500 milliamps an hour. It'll take about 4 to 5 hours to charge it fully. So this is how you put it in, plus and minus like this, and it has a pretty good weight to it. And obviously you can use the USB port, which I do recommend. You don't need fast charging on this because it'll just be staying there. So as you can see, this is really good for if you have 2 controllers. I don't recommend 4 because obviously you can't use 4. You can use 3, but you can't really swap through them if they die. So a maximum of 2, I would say. Now this does work on the Xbox original controller as well as the Xbox One S controllers. Go ahead and pop one in. This is how you pop it in. So basically you have the front where it's oriented, and then you just go ahead and just put it in the back like so. And you can put the cap over it. As you can see, it's 50 to 60 hours on this because the 1,400 milliamp capacity on the Xbox Play and Charge kit lasts about 26 hours with the headset, 30 without. So this should last about almost double that, which I'm assuming would be around 52 hours with the headset, 60 without the headset, which is honestly really good if that's true. I will be testing it out in a future video. I will be comparing this brand, the Xbox Play and Charge kit, the EBL batteries, which I use pretty much daily, and I might include the Nyko, but it's not really a big brand and this honestly sucks, so maybe I'll just include these 3. By the way, the Nyko one is for the charge station, so you put it on the back. It's not in here right now, but you put it in the back of your controller and it comes on a dock like so. Comes on a dock. It doesn't do the best, but it is USB, so it goes on the top or the side of your Xbox if you want it to. So take a little comparisons against the other ones. That's pretty much all I have to do for right now because it is only mainly an unboxing and first impressions. Presentation is good. I have really good thoughts on this. It does have really good reviews on Amazon, so I should hopefully get a really good hour. I'm gonna fully charge both of these, or one of them, and then put it in the Xbox controller, do a really long session and try to kill the battery as fast as possible. And we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna do 2 full drains on these. So, I'm gonna kill this one, make sure this one's fully charged, swap it out, charge it at the same time, see how long this charges while simultaneously doing it. And yeah, so I'll give you all the details if you want to see that video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, like the video so you know you liked it, and comment down below if you're getting the Xbox Series X or the S. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.